guys, today we're gonna open some of these, and we're gonna put our chocolates. No, yeah, we're gonna put our chocolates there, and we're gonna this is for her, for her stuff, toys, and this is for me. So let's give you just a small tour around these eggs. Look at that, guys. So, we're gonna open some of them now. So let's get started. Where should I put this? Let's put it over there. Just put it here.
Just put it here.
Okay. Let's put it there. I'm gonna collect inside. Okay. Oh, I got stuck to there. Oh, guys, she just got hurt over there. Oh, so just got hurt. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is that? Let's just see. Oh, what is that? Is it a girl? Yes. No, I don't think so. What in the world? Wait, I'll fix it. We're gonna see you guys how we build it. What is this? I build it. What is this? Oh, it's to put a hang on your shirt like that. Here. Okay. Just put that in there. Okay, now let's see how big this. Okay, you can go now. Let's see which thing is this. Okay, we're gonna put your toy over there on your spot. Okay, what is this? Oh, you get a little thing to put that thing. Oh, you get a little thing, guys.
Right there.
Yeah. What's my chocolate? Like you got a little thing, like to put it on. So how do you put that? Oh my goodness. Let's see. Can you do it? What is this?
At the end.
Let's see how we do this. Okay, just put that. Oh, we do this. Oh, we do this. We put it on here. This.
I'll help you guys open this.
Look. It's okay. We don't need it like that. Look. We put it on your muzzle. Wait, let me see. Oh, you put that on your arm.
I will build this stuff after. So she got this here.
Okay.
Some kind of toy.
Put that there.
It's a flying toy.
It's a
Right, now you open the next thing.
Okay. This one. Okay, that one. This one. Yeah.
Show the camera.
Okay. Okay. What is this? What is that? This has lots of pieces. Whoa, what is that?
I take out the flyer.
Let's build it and check.
Let me see what that is now.
All make it. Wait, you need to get this out. Hey, get out. Oh, the stick to there. Okay. It says, like, what is that? It looks like a spinner. I'll build it and check out. I'll just build it. Should I build it right now?
Yeah, build it if you can. Can you?
No. Can you build it? Here. Build it.
Put it in the front, and I'll build it later, okay?
Okay.
Take the stickers out.
The
Now you open that.
Wow, it has stickers too. Okay, I'm gonna open the wood. Okay, we're gonna build. Okay, I will open this one. I think. Yes, I shall watch. So look, guys. Look, guys. And we're gonna see what is inside in it.
So you ate your before chocolate.
Yeah. Oh, it's a call. It's a call.
Let me show them.
It's a call.
Let me show them the car.
Guys, it's a call.
So she got this
I'll
car.
build it.
It's pretty easy to build, guys.
Yeah, she got hers built. Can you please build mine?
So Zuni here is gonna build my sister's toy.
That go there?
I think check the instruction paper.
Yeah, I think it goes like that. I'll check it. How do you just click this thing? Wait, I'll check how to do it. Check it. Okay. Oh, you're supposed to do it.
So she's checking.
I'll check it. Let's see how you click.
Oh wait.
Okay, let me see.
Wait, let it get to focus. Right, so you have to put the gray piece. You have to put the gray piece inside. Yeah, like that, and just stick that to the blue thing now.
Like this way?
Anyway, whatever you think is
This
better.
way. Yeah, this way.
Too much chocolate eater.
Look.
Look at her bowl. And look at her bowl.
Okay,
much.
next time we'll try to do that.
Did you build that? Alright, give me, just put it right here.
I'll
Oh,
build
you
that.
built it. You builded it. Oh, it's okay. Just put it here.
Can you build mine?
Just put it in the front there.
Can you build mine?
No, I'm gonna build yours in the end.
Okay. Okay.
So next
My
tag is
turn.
for who? Oh yeah, you go. Pick one.
This one.
Alright, so that one.
We're not gonna get those two. I mean, we are. Let's see what you get in your Kinderland. Let's see. Let's see what's inside. Baba got a call. Baba got a call. Baba got a call. Baba got a call. Whoa! That's awesome. Can I see what it said? Can I see what it said? Too much chocolate eater? Baba, I'm too much chocolate eater. Baba. Oh!
Oh, what did you get? Oh, you got a.
Motorcycle. Whoa, a motorcycle. It blocked. Okay, we'll build that on the end too. We'll build that on the end too. Whose garbage that? That's your garbage. My
Okay, so
turn.
this is some kind of
My turn to pick.
old.
Pick. No, just pick. Pick. This is like an old toy or something. It's a motorcycle. I'm gonna finish this bowling. Guys, hey. Okay. I'm gonna finish this bowl in 1 minute. Let's see what I got. She's too much chocolate eater. Okay. I'll do that for you. I did. Oh, I got something good. I got something blue. Oh, she loves blue. And she got blue. Wow, that's turquoise and blue. What is? Oh, what is that? It's already built. Oh,
It's another flying toy.
it's another flying toy. Let's build that later too. Okay, extractions. Go put. My turn. Go pick. You're a chocolate eater.
Yo, you don't eat. Okay?
Okay.
Then you guys are gonna save up. If you keep on eating, you're not gonna save up.
Let's see what you get. Come back. Let's see what you get. Let's kill this thing and see what's inside. I think it's gonna be a Santa. Mine was hard too. Let's see what you can get.
When you open your Kinder Egg, come like put it in your hand and like show it to them like this, okay?
Okay. Oh, let's see what is. Whoa!
I'll open for you.
I got it. I got another motorcycle. Yeah.
Alright, come show them.
That's yellow. That's yellow motorcycle. My turn to pick. X. I just need yummy. Hey! Get it from her. No more. I think I'm gonna get a blue motorcycle. You already? Yeah, actually that's not more. I just. You have so much garbage.
Cause
Cause what? Because we're open.
you just do.
Yeah. It's a bit of a mess. I didn't. What? Oh, she got the same thing as me, but it's gray and black. Just dump it out.
Alright, baby, put it in your hand and come show me, okay?
Okay. Oh, she got stickers too. Let's see what color stickers. Blue.
Let me see. Can
Yeah,
you show
blue
them?
stickers,
Let
guys.
me show them.
No. No. Blue stickers.
Wait. Keep it there. Keep it there. It's not focusing.
Look. That's it. Look at that. I got black and she got blue. Wait, did I get black? I don't know. Let's put my stickers. I get the focus today. Okay, my turn. I get focus. I want to get focus or something. A focus.
And don't lose your pieces.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, turn to pick. Excellent. Guys, why do you keep on eating our chocolate? Why you keep on eating our chocolate? You sneaker chocolate. He just sneaker chocolate. Okay. Let's see what I get. No more chocolate eating, okay? Okay. You there. Let me see. Oh, a skateboard! A skateboard? I can build that.
Alright, come show them.
No, first I'm gonna build it. My turn to pick.
It also has a sticker.
My turn to pick.
But don't put the sticker on right now,
A
okay?
sticker? No.
It does.
Oh.
But don't put it on right now.
Whoa, I will. Guys, just look at that. Look at that. I'll put the sticker on.
So this is a longboard, I guess.
Yeah. And this is the sticker.
A shark sticker.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that on. Oh! No. I can. Look, I got him. I'll put the sticker on. I got him
fixing them. Don't put it.
I got another car.
Oh, you got another car?
Okay, we're not fixing them right now, so I'll put my stickers with that. Yay, I get 2 stickers. I got 2 cars. While you're opening yours, I'll just set up mine a bit. Oh, look at the big stickers. Put those in there. Can I put these in there? All of them? Like, to clean my mess up. Your turn to pick.
Pick.
No, open it.
She got a blue car. She opened hers.
Should I pick another one?
No.
Okay, looks like my turn. Let's see what you get in yours. They're almost finished. They're almost finished. Let's see. Wow, I got more chocolate than you. Both of you got more. Oh, no more chocolate eating. What is this? It's something blue. What is this? Oh, it's a dinosaur bunny.
I can't show us.
My turn to pick.
Not now, baby.
Just picked it.
Wait.
No more chocolate eating. No chocolate. Oh, I guess I got enough. Let's put it on the other side. What are you doing? What are you doing? No more chocolate eating. You silly what in the world are you doing? Okay, I'll eat that there. My turn. Okay, your turn to open yours. I'll just set up mine here. Stickers. And there we go. Fixing my things. Oh, it's getting a bit mixed. There you go. And the yellow thing, there you go. Let's see. I got like you! Whoa! She got the same thing, guys. How did you get the same thing? Hi, Look! I got another thing of apples. So
You got another dinosaur?
she got the same and I got the same too. Your turn to pick. Let's see how we build it. Let's see how we build it. Look, I'm Bill. Hey, don't get the sticker. Oh, that's not a sticker. Hey, who put these? I think.
No, I'm gonna build them for you guys at the end, okay?
Okay, look at me.
I am.
I have a golden and a red and a blue. Let's see how it. Oh, I have too much chocolate. You're not really chocolate matching. Chocolate. A car. It's builded. Whoa.
I'm sure.
That. My turn to pick. It's a car.
Wait.
I know what that does. Give me it now.
Tad. Wait, can you come hold it here?
Give me.
Wait, come hold it here. It's not. Wait, baby, wait, don't open it yet.
It has a sticker.
Can you hold it in your
It
hand?
has a sticker. Wait, I'll take the sticker. And it has this sticker. The sticker.
Okay, hold the
Look,
car in your
I
hand.
got a car. Okay. I got two cars. I got a car. It has a sticker. I have so much stickers. Look what I got now.
I go put your thing back.
Okay.
What is that? Wait, come here, take it out of my hand.
Wait, let's see. Oh, it's a motorcycle. It's a green motorcycle.
Put it here. Let me show them.
It's a green motorcycle, guys. Okay. Just clean up my mess over here.
Wait. Should I build it for you?
No, we're gonna build it at the end. Like you said. Yeah, like you said. turn.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a teacup. Okay.
Count how much eggs are left.
Hey! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 left.
Let's see what that is. Let's see what you got. I'm just gonna tidy up my spot here. My turn to pick. Good. No, my turn. Hey! Put that back. So let's see what you got. I just cleaned up mine a bit. Oh my goodness. Oh, that looks pretty too. Look at all your trash. Look at all your trash. Look at all your trash. Okay, just stop saying trash. Uh-huh.
No eating chocolate.
Let's see what you get. Got it. What is this? What's this? Look it up. You get up. This is Hollywood. It has a sticker too. I have so much stickers. There's 4 stickers. 4 stickers. Oh, it's a car. Because I see the wheels there. My turn to pick. Hey, what is this? Where do those come from? Hey, from my mom. Hey. Wait, what? Oh, from this one. And I got a card there.
Okay, come show us what you got.
Oh, yeah.
I think you have a piece of it.
Yeah.
Baby, wait. Come show us what you got.
Look what I got. A bunny.
Wait.
She got a teddy. I got a teddy.
She got a teddy ring. And what did you...
And she got this.
Okay, what did you get? Oh, is that yours?
Yeah. Oh, I got the sticker.
Yeah, let me see your
These
card.
stickers. I'll put that there. Your turn to pick. She only has 2. I have so much. She has 1 actually. And this is the card.
Show us the flyer so we could see like how it is.
We'll show you the flyer.
That flyer right there. That's the flyer of
No,
it.
it's okay. We're not. I don't need to. I'll show you at the end. Okay, that's mine. You pick one. Pick one. I did. No, I picked. Hey, chocolate sneaker again. What in the world do you do to a chocolate sneaker? So much stickers, so we're all good. Oh my goodness, you have more chocolate than me.
Yeah.
Look what I got!
Alright,
I got a scooter.
come show us what you got.
That's a cycle, I think. Yeah, it is a cycle. Cutie pie cycle.
Wait, keep it focused.
It's a cycle scooter. It's a cycling.
You're mixing up all your pieces. Can you set that up for her? Cause just leave it.
I'll do it at the end too. Okay.
No, just leave it actually.
Oh, 4 more left. Oh, these one too. Now, your turn to pick. Let's see
4 more eggs left. So 2 for her and 2 for you.
Yeah. Let's see what you get. And which one's for that one? Okay. Let's see what you get in your leg. Oh, it went like. It went like when it opened. Goodness, what in the world did you?
I hope you're saving all your stickers you got because
No, listen, open mine. Wait, what? This was in the Kinder Egg. Nothing there. What?
Nothing?
Nothing.
Wait.
That's,
Wait, crack this. Wait.
no, these are the holly eggs. Oh my
No,
goodness.
they're heavy.
No, I can. These
They're
are
heavy, so probably there's something in it.
Look, all of them have. Oh, this is the Kinder Egg guy who was. Oh my.
Oh, you got a black car.
Just take that yellow thing off.
No, it's a thing. That's what it drives with.
We're both
the
friends.
yellow thing says.
We're both friends.
Okay, you both are friends.
She opened hers already. She has so much. Ah! Look what I got! What's that? See it? Red. Oh, that's so cute. Budiyama. Budiyama Malia. That's small. I got a Budiyama. Guys, it's so cute, guys.
Wait, you hold it?
It's a move.
Let me show them.
Look!
Don't move it.
Look, what is it? Look, what is it? Okay. And now, put it with your... Oh, my goodness, you made it. A big mess. Okay, my turn. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Wait, what? She opened one right now. So that's for her. That's for her. That's for me, right?
Yep.
Okay, that's yours. That's mine. Oh my goodness. There's 3 more I've left. I wanted those. Just simply more sneakers.
Wait, but who's gonna hold the camera when I'm gonna show them, like, I'm gonna build your toys?
I'll just hold it.
No, you guys are gonna show the flyers to them.
No.
Because in the flyers, there's the picture of them.
More sneakers. More sneakers.
More sneakers.
A car.
Sneakers is
Oh, it has a road with it. That's cute. And it has some things.
these are some good eggs you got.
Yeah. My turn. Okay. Go on your side. Where in the world did my chocolate go? You ate it. No, I put it there actually. What am I doing? A car, another car. You got so many cars. Just like you. Just like you. Wow. Oh, they're friends. All 3 of them are friends. Look how they're just like Abby.
You know how these cars work?
How?
Let me show you guys how these work.
You can show at the end.
Like this. Take the yellow thing off.
No, it's the same car. Look. These match. They're friends.
Okay, put the yellow thing on and put it in baby side.
My turn. Last one.
Oh, last egg. The last egg. Okay?
Last egg we're opening.
Well, baby, put your stickers back. Because you don't want to lose them.
How did? Who said this and who said this? My turn to
What
pick.
did you get? So much cars.
A car.
Oh, it has a road?
Let me pick now.
Oh, you know what we could do? We could attach both of the roads together
Yeah,
to make
and-
one long road and
Oh, they're cards too.
the cards.
2 cards.
Oh, these are the side people that are like cheering.
My turn to pick. It's so nice. It's so neat. Hey, don't pick that one. Okay, no more. So, bye guys.
Alright, so show them what you got. I know, but all of them are finished now. Come here. Okay, so show everybody what you got. What did you get, baby?
A big
So
pile
baby
a big pile of mess over here. She got that.
I must sort her mess out. So she got this thing, and that.
And
That's a
then
flying
teeth.
toy right there.
Hey, like.
And then she got this dragon. She got a scooter too. And then she got lots of cars and this thing I showed you guys. Yeah, she messed hers up, so I can't show you hers properly. But for my other sisters, now she got this car. Wait, get to focus. She got that. She got that off-roading car. She got a skateboard.
We got so much
She got two
driving
old-fashioned motorcycles. I don't know what that is. And
looks
she
like
got
a
some
spinner.
stickers.
Spinner.
And she got a dinosaur. And then she got
Another car.
She got another car. That's an off-road car. And then she got these cars with the racetrack. And another one with the racetrack.
And
That
another
was
one.
pretty neat.
And
And
look, this one too.
oh yeah, they got cards too.
Yeah,
Or like
and
those are
this-
gonna be the people.
That cheering.
And then she also got one more thing.
Yeah. The chocolate. Hey, what in the world?
She got chocolate. Alright, so look at this girl here. Alright, so was that fun?
Bye.
Was that fun?
Yes. Bye.
How much eggs did you guys open today?
I don't know. All of them. All of them.
No, wait. You guys opened
24. Yes.
No, you guys didn't open 24.
Yeah. Okay, I don't know how much we opened, but bye. Bye. Can you say the
You guys ate 20. You guys opened 20 eggs.
Okay. Can you just say the words?
No, I'm not saying the words. You say the words.
Okay.
Be awesome.
Comment down below and subscribe to our channel. And
Yeah, smash that subscribe button.
yeah.
If you had
give
a party here
yeah.
today.
And give a big thumbs up and subscribe
Alright, let me see the signal of the big thumbs up.
like that.
Like the big thumbs
like
up.
us video and plus us channels.
Yeah,
See
and
us good and see us
comment
channel
down
and
below.
videos.
Comment down below hashtag chocolate eater.
Yeah.